Hi guys, today I have the AMAZFIT Up earbuds and I'm going to tell you where you can easily find the serial number on them. So if you look closely here, wait a moment, I'll zoom it in for you, but I can't make it blurred. Here, now it's zoomed in. As you can see, if I flash and with my flashlight correctly, you can see that here on the very bottom of these lines we do have SN written over here, SN. It's strange because it's magnetic, but SN is over here. I don't know if I can zoom it even further. I don't really think so. Okay, I can. It's here as you can see. SN. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.